Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. My son is always going after my drinks, and anything he touches, he turns upside down. But I like to have a morning coffee and we sit and look out the window, so I always used to sit it on the back of my couch, but he'd always find a way to knock it over. But now I have this RNGODO coffee travel mug and it has saved the day. I love the look of it, and the grip around it is super helpful. It's not slippery, so you can keep hold of it. It's the perfect size for the coffees that I make at home that leaves enough space for me to add in my brown sugar, which I like to use, and then I add some almond milk. And I love this screw-on cap because I like to be able to shake it to make sure that everything is combined and I do not have to worry that anything's gonna leak out. And then I can just take it on the go with us on our way to the park. If I end up having to throw it in my pocket, which happens often, to chase down my son, it's perfectly fine, it doesn't leak. And when he dumps it into the sand at the park, it also doesn't leak and it doesn't get sand in it, and I have no problem drinking it after because the spout is covered with the lid. Even on this bumpy car ride, I don't worry that it's gonna spill into my purse. If you are constantly on the go, or if you have a toddler that is constantly spilling your drinks, you need this reusable coffee mug. But that's just my point of view.